Welcome, it's week 12 of the Christmas challenge. We have made it, and the last song is going to be an absolute classic and a personal favourite of mine. It's going to be by Slade, Merry Xmas Everybody. Welcome back to Guitar with me, where I help absolute beginners learn guitar the easy way. This week is the final week of the Christmas challenge. Thank you all for participating. It's been quite the ride, and my beard has certainly gone through it. And I feel like Santa Claus. I actually feel like I'm turning into the guy. Let's get straight into the song, shall we? So for this song and the last week of the 12-week challenge, I will give you two parts. The first bit is the intro, and I'll play it now. Okay, I'll do that slower. So just to break this down, and I'll call out the fret numbers, we are going to be on string 6, which is the low E, and we start on fret number 6. So it goes 6, 6, 5, 5, 3, 3, 1, 1, and then we're going to slide all the way up to number 10. The next part, we're going to be doing the chorus. So we're going to be starting on fret number 3. So I'll play this along first. This time, I will count it out with the fret numbers. So we're doing number 3 on the B string. So it goes 3, 5, 7, 8, 10 to 12. Back to 10 to 7 down to 3 to open to 6 to 3 to open, and then we're switching to the second fret of the G. So that's going to be string number 3, so second fret G. And then we go back up to third fret of the B. So I'll just repeat that again. And the next bit is going to be up to fret number 8. So we've got 8, 10, 12, 10, down to 7, 3, open, and then 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, slide down to 3, and then go up to 7. Okay, so one more time all the way through. So practice challenge, as always, is going to be learning this melody 5 times a day. You've got the intro and you've got the chorus as well. I think it's a great song. It's a classic Christmas festive tune of the decade. Slade are a fantastic band. Yeah, I also want to say thank you very much for those of you who have checked out this 12-week Christmas challenge. I must say I'm relieved and happy and sad all at the same time that it's over, because there has been quite a bit of work, but hopefully you have stuck with it, and it's something which you can come back to. These learning one string melodies, I think, are a really good way and a good introduction to the guitar. So yes, thank you very much, and for those of you who've been watching, who have subscribed to my channel, who have liked the videos, it means so much to me. Please do, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do that, and also check the comments for my school community as well. I would love you to join. It's open to beginners, intermediate guitarists, or anybody who's just curious, even if you haven't got a guitar. It's a great place with lots of people who are encouraging and supporting everyone else who are there. So yes, do join that. And I'll see you next time for another video. So thank you all, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.